The Chopin Impromptu Opus 66 is a really tough piece, and what helped me a lot was that I rhythmically, that I used in the beginning a different rhythm, like a more simple rhythm than the triplets. And what I was doing was like some Latin feeling. For the left hand. So that will help you to just clarify everything. Your fingers know where rhythmically they go together. You can concentrate on the clarity and on the fingering and which notes. And later you can speed up the tempo and loosen up this Latin feel to a real triplets, like you need just change a bit and you will have the triplets. Now we have the triplets. I start with the Latin. Speed up. Yeah. That was just a quick demonstration. It helped me a lot. Try it out and have fun. Bye.